How to access Snapchat account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, let's discuss about accessing Snapchat account. So first, you can access your Snapchat account by logging in with your Snapchat app. Go ahead and install the latest version of Snapchat application using your Play Store or App Store. Then open the Snapchat application on your phone. Tap on login, enter your username, email or phone number and your password, and then log into your specific account. Talking about Snapchat Web, you need to go ahead and open your Chrome browser. Go to web.snapchat.com, enter your username, email or phone number and password, and complete any verification steps such as two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. You can also go ahead and reset a forgotten password. On the login screen, you can go ahead and tap on Forgot Password, choose to reset it via phone or email, and follow the instructions to reset your password and create a new one. If you're talking about unlocking and appealing a locked or disabled account, you can follow the instructions within the Snapchat app to unlock your account or submit an appeal. For that, you need to visit the Snapchat support for further assistance. Or you can go to the Snapchat app, tap on the gear icon in the top, scroll all the way down, tap on Help Center under the support and feedback. And from here, you can contact the official help desk of Snapchat and get your help and solve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.